Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We're going to be doing easy chicken fried rice in the Ninja Speedi. This is going to be great. Let's get into the cook. Alright, so I just want to show you real quick what we are going to be using to make this very easy chicken fried rice. Okay, so we're going to need some soy sauce. This is light. You don't need to use light, but any soy sauce is fine. We're going to use a little bit of that. I got one whole bell pepper split in half. We'll cut that up. I got 3 stalks of green onion. I've already started chopping those down. And then from here, we're just going to, make these whatever size that you want and whatever color you want. If you want to use green, if you want to use red, orange, if you want to throw carrots and peas in here, any of that stuff, you can definitely do that as well. And then just cut them into, whatever size that you want. I'm going to make these, just little slices like that. And then the green onions, make sure to cut those up nice and small as well. And people say don't use the white part on the end of the green onion. Yeah, I use almost all of it till there's almost none left. Alright, good to go. So we got that. And then the other thing is we are going to be using boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So we'll grab a couple of those out in a minute. And so how we're going to make this simple is we are going to be using a rice-a-roni stir-fried rice. So stir-fried rice. Now, if you want to make this from white rice, it's the exact same. 1 cup of white rice, 2 cups of water. Follow the same directions I'm doing in this video, but there's a couple more like Asian ingredients that you'll need if you want to do it like that. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to make it like that, and at the end of the video there'll be an iCard up top where you can check that out as well. So let's go ahead and get all this cooked up. Alright, so here we are at the Ninja. Let's go ahead and open it up. And there's nothing inside right now, just the regular roasting pan and stuff. We are going to be using this at the same time to cook the chicken as well. So first thing, take your rice-a-roni. It does come with this seasoning packet. Make sure to take that out. But dump all your rice in. And we got 2 cups of water. Dump all 2 cups of water in just like that. Grab your seasoning pack. Open that up and dump your seasoning in. Now we want to stir this up. Make sure to get a plastic or wooden spoon. Do not use metal, but mix all that up until all the seasoning has went away, dissolved into the water. Alright, so we've got a little more stir in here. And then we're going to add the top here. We're going to add this right on to the top. Make sure to pull the little legs out, obviously, because it's going on top. And now we're going to add our chicken. Okay, so we got our boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I just put a little bit of pepper and garlic salt. It's optional. This has enough seasoning in it to be good, but so I used 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. If you want to use chicken breasts, go ahead. That's fine, but we're going to get 3 of those in here. Just like that. So we got those on. Looking good. Close the top on this. Turn the power on. And we want to be over on the rapid cook side. We're going to go down to steam and crisp function. Our temperature is going to be 350 degrees. Our time is at 15. Hit start. Take a few minutes to preheat. It's going to start steaming and cooking, and we'll see you then. Alright guys, so we're counting down here. We're almost done. So we went through the whole preheat and the 15 minutes. And this is done. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. There's no steam coming. That's awesome. Take a look at the chicken. Perfect. Now chicken is done at 165 degrees, so if you're going to use a bigger piece like some breast or something like that, temp it. Just make sure that it's done. I know that these are already done. So I'm going to take this chicken off and I'm going to set this aside. So we got a nice chicken here. Oh, I can eat that. Oh, just by itself. Yum. All right. Now we want to take the lid off here, and be careful because it is hot. Set that aside. Rice looking absolutely amazing. Okay, actually what we're going to want to do is close this down and then switch this from the rapid cook side over to the air fry side, and we're going to go down to the sear and saute. We're going to put it on high, hit start, open that thing back up, and then I'm going to bring you from the top view because this is where the magic happens. Alright, so now I got you from the top view, guys, and so we got it on the sear and saute and high. So what you want to do is just go ahead and move all the stuff around. And now we're actually going to put in a little bit of oil. Now if you don't have oil in a can, just go ahead and use a tablespoon of whatever you like. So I'm just going to do a little bit of that. Good to go. Now we're going to dump our bell peppers in there. And we're going to let that stir fry for about 3 minutes or so. Alright, so we've been stir frying for about 3 minutes. Now we're going to dump our chicken in. Then we're going to add a little bit of our soy sauce, so probably just 2 or 3 shakes. 1, 2, 3. 3.5 shakes. Now from here, you want to add a half a cup of water. Stir everything up, get everything mixed up. Water incorporated, get everything in there. It's going to get that soy sauce. Oh my gosh, it's going to get everything incorporated. Oh, that smells so amazing. When you guys try this, leave a comment, tell me what you think. It is going to be very good. Now from here, what I do is close the top, leave it on sear and saute. I'm going to close the top for about 3 to 5 minutes. I'll check it, and then we'll see you then. Alright, so it's been about 4 minutes. Open it up. We're going to give it one last stir just to get everything, oil in there, so get it all stirred up. That's looking absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness. Now here, add in your green onions. Perfect. Give it a quick stir, and then turn the unit off. So I'm turning the unit off right now. There we go. And I'm going to let this just sit like this until I'm ready to eat. I'm going to plate it here in about 5 minutes. We'll take a bite, see how it turned out. See you in a minute. Alright, so we're finished with the cook, and it turned out absolutely amazing. Chicken fried rice. And like I said, if you want to make it with white rice, I'll leave the description and the link below of the ingredients and actually a video that I did with that, and I'll leave a little iCard right here for you guys to check out as well. But this stuff is, it's a meal by itself. Woo, hot, delicious. Alright, so that wraps it up, guys. If you're new to my channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to give a thumbs up, drop an awesome comment. With that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.